Welcome back, everyone. So, like always, we're kicking things off by looking at what's new or interesting over at the AI Agent store.
Mm.
And today we've got something pretty intriguing from the crypto space. We're looking at an AI agent based on, well, the info right there on its website.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
We're zeroing in on one called Bitget GetAgent.
Hmm.
And its main thing, its core purpose, is basically being an AI assistant for crypto trading.
Okay.
It focuses on market analysis, executing trades, and you interact with it using, just plain English, natural language.
Right, natural language. That's always a key feature. So, okay, let's unpack that a bit. Who is this actually designed for? Like, who is the target user here?
Well, based on what they say, it seems geared towards people already pretty involved in crypto.
Right.
We're talking active crypto traders, DeFi analysts, people really deep in decentralized finance, also retail investors who are looking for more sophisticated tools, Web3 users, that kind of crowd.
So, folks who already kind of know the ropes.
Exactly. And financial researchers too, potentially. Anyone really needing efficiency and smart automation in that crypto world.
Got it. So for those users, what can it do? This is where it gets interesting, right? The actual capabilities.
Yeah, and this is what's quite fascinating. It's not just about charts. It tries to consolidate all that, you know, often overwhelming crypto information.
Definitely overwhelming sometimes.
Right. So it gives you real-time market insights. It does technical analysis, but also sentiment analysis.
Oh, sentiment analysis too. From where? Social media and news.
Apparently, yeah. Trying to gauge the mood of the market, find patterns maybe humans miss easily. And importantly, it doesn't just give you ideas.
It acts on them.
It can, yeah. You can directly execute spot trades, futures, even on-chain stuff. And the hook is you do all this just by talking to it, essentially. Conversational prompts.
Wow.
And it gets personalized, supposedly, based on your history, what you've asked before, your preferences.
That sounds incredibly powerful, almost like you're handing over control. But, with crypto being so volatile, letting an AI trade for you, what are the potential downsides or risks?
That's a really important question. They classify its autonomy as Level 4 AI agent.
Level 4, what does that mean in practice?
So think of it less like a simple bot, just following set rules, and more like a, sophisticated partner. It can handle complex multi-step actions on its own. Like maybe spotting a dip, setting a dynamic stop loss based on market movement, maybe even rebalancing parts of your portfolio, all without you needing to step in constantly after you set the initial strategy.
Okay, so it's proactive.
Very. It's watching the markets 24/7, adapting its approach based on live data, and it executes trades directly through Bitget's own system. They mentioned using over 50 proprietary tools.
Ah, their own kind of secret sauce.
Sort of, yeah,
Yeah.
for analysis and decision-making. But, to your point about risk, while it's built for efficiency, no system is perfect, especially in crypto. Markets go sideways fast. Users absolutely need to understand the strategies it's using. Maybe start small, use less aggressive settings until you really trust how it behaves. It's powerful, but it's not like magic money printing.
Makes sense. So thinking about the listener then, what does this mean for you practically? How would someone actually use this day to day? I can see it helping someone like me trying to track everything.
Exactly. The idea is you use it for conversational crypto analysis, ask it questions, get tailored insights.
Instead of scrolling through endless feeds.
Precisely. And then execute trade spot, futures, on-chain, using simple chat commands, which is, pretty streamlined compared to navigating complex interfaces sometimes.
Yeah,
You
definitely.
get personalized insights based on your portfolio, your past actions, your stated preferences, and access to real-time signals, alerts, and that automated execution capability. It's about automating the complex stuff intelligently.
And if someone's thinking, okay, I want to try this, what's the deal with cost and access? You mentioned it's freemium and the code is closed source.
Correct. Freemium usually means you can probably test out the basic features without paying up front.
Okay.
But more advanced capabilities, the really powerful stuff, likely needs a subscription. And closed source means Bitget keeps their algorithms private. You can't look under the hood yourself.
Which is pretty standard for trading tools, I suppose.
Often, yeah. It ensures consistency, security from their end, but less transparency for the user.
Yeah.
And it's worth remembering, this agent is part of the wider Bitget platform,
Right, the exchange itself.
which is a huge player, one of the biggest exchanges globally.
Mm-hmm.
Many users seem to view it as legitimate. People report, successful KYC checks, deposits, withdrawals generally going smoothly. That context adds a layer of maybe perceived reliability.
It really does make you think, doesn't it? How AI is moving beyond just like answering questions to actually doing things,
Hmm.
managing complex financial stuff.
It's a definite shift.
Yeah, it paints a picture of a future where maybe your portfolio management gets way more automated, tailored, but still within boundaries you set. Hopefully, it's fascinating.
Excellent.
Well, if you're curious and want to explore more AI agents, not just in crypto, but across different fields, remember you can always check out AIagentstore.ai. And as always, thanks for rating the show. It really helps others find us.